Yo, what's up guys? Thank you guys for tuning in. This is my first YouTube video. Yeah, this is my project car. It's a 2015 Scion FRS. And yeah, today we're gonna be replacing the exhaust because the old one is just ugly. Alright guys, this is the exhaust. As you see, the previous owner just put just a pipe in there because he did have a way bigger exhaust, so he had to cut up the diffuser, and yeah, we're gonna be replacing that today with a full dual tip catback muffler delete. All right, here we are inside. So we have like a couple of bad things, like we have a crack right here, and yeah, there's just gonna be a lot of things we're gonna do. And for example, we're gonna get a new radio. We want CarPlay to be able to work on this car. We're gonna replace this LED inside. We're gonna paint all these silver things you see all around the car. We're gonna repaint all of those black, and yeah. Right, so on the outside, we're gonna do a Rocket Bunny V3 wide body kit. We're gonna get new custom headlights, Spec D, and we're gonna replace the boomerang with a fully controllable LED strip. And we're gonna be wrapping the hood black after we paint it white. Yeah, we're gonna get new matte black rims. We might just paint those, but we haven't decided on that yet. As you see, the taillights are a bit foggy. We're gonna replace those, or first we're gonna just clean them up. Then we're probably gonna replace those. We're gonna get carbon fiber wing, and yeah. So I'm really excited to get this project started, and I hope you guys continue watching the videos. We jacked up this side already, because we just used the one that comes with the car. Now we're the big jack, and we're gonna bring up the other side. So we're gonna have to get this thing over here. And we'll get back to you when we got the other wheel off as well. Alright, we did get the other wheel off, and now we are going to take the old exhaust off, and yeah. Alright, as you guys can see, we got it off. It's pretty long, but we'll all be replacing that by the new one that we got. You can see, because it's only one tip up front, you can see that the previous owner did something to it, because from factory they usually come with 2 tips. And yeah, it's getting pretty late right now, so we'll pick up tomorrow, but for you guys it's just gonna be a couple seconds. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright, right now I'm editing it, and I noticed I did not say that we're installing the exhaust right now, but yes, that's what we're doing right now.
Here we go. responsible.
Alright, so the exhaust has screws right here and here, and you can unscrew it to, well, we don't know yet, is it louder or quieter? But we're gonna try that out and then we're gonna start it up again. Alright, now since we took out the screws, well, let's hear it. Fire it up. Alright, that'll conclude the video for today. Next time, or probably next week, maybe this week, we'll wrap the headlights yellow. So this all will be yellow. And yeah, after that, we'll probably order the body kit. It will be a Rocket Bunny V3 without the spoiler, because it's extremely expensive. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and see you next time.